What's up, Bertopia? Berkel here with Crackman and D-Tap camping in a beautiful national forest. Come see what we get into.
Hey, I get to say I've been up by 4 and we're fishing while it's still dark. Rennie would be proud. Ooh, Rennie would be proud. We should get... Oh, I hear him jumping. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're going to try a couple of these and then go back up and get them. Oh boy. Glad I didn't fucking find out about that one. I didn't get it tight enough, I guess, somewhere along the line. Alright, let's do it again.
28 says Berkey is just testing the waters while he waits for the two campers to wake up to go boat fishing.
Yep.
Have you ever heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon? Or ask the grinning bobcat why he grins? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind?
Right. I shall go back up. I got no bitesies. We must wait till they wake up. We go in boat and we do things. We have aliens from outer space.
Says, bro, the diver is on location. Bro, I repeat, diver is on location.
Let's go. Let's go.
1987 says, how do aliens keep their trousers up?
I don't know. How do they?
Foxman 987 says, with an asteroid belt.
Tab Gaming says, who said they got to sleep, wake them up and go fishing?
No one got to say they got to sleep. You needed, I will ask for a huge favor though, some fucking earplugs. I heard some snoring going on in there and it was fucking, dude, I thought there was a grizzly bear in there. Time to fish. 7 a.m. with the lights on. I know. They look so comfortable. I want to be them. This isn't fair. Why do we do this to ourselves? Beavers in danger. We got danger, beavers, beaver danger, beaver danger. I'll give them an extra few minutes. I'm about to go get on that boat and go out myself. Fuck it. Go out there myself. You guys down? Yeah, I put all, oh, well. I was really bored for a minute because there wasn't anybody talking and I had to make an audience on the other side of the fire.
What'd you say?
Okay. Look at my audience.
No promises I can stop at that. Holy fuck, this motherfucker castawayed with logs. Come look at this. He castawayed with logs. He got bored so he needed to tell people to talk to. Come look at this.
Bro, wait, what is energy? I can't remember.
Something like love. I'm not sure. What is love, love, love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more.
Well, he's gonna go fishing that?
That's what he wanted to take out. I was going in the boat.
The big boat?
Now he said that when he first asked.
Oh, well, let's do the big boat now. Since we got the stream and shit. I don't even know, even if I wasn't streaming, I don't know if I trust myself on this, in this Coors Light shit. Huh?
Another one that can't swim or what?
No, I can swim. I can swim. I just ain't trying to. Oh, we gotta get this guy lifted back up. Struggling. There we go. Greetings, Earthling.
Ready?
I'm not carrying that like that.
Hey! That was pointy. There you go. You're getting a pointy ass boat.
Yeah, you're gonna wanna watch that. It might jab you.
Down a little. Why does it feel like you do like going, I'm the only one doing work here?
'Cause we got trees and bushes.
And a big hill?
28 says, row rower boat gently down the stream. Ha ha, it's me new.
We could probably push it on the logs now.
Yeah, hold on. Should we push it in backwards? I don't give a fuck what you do.
Oh, fuck it. Go forward.
Oh, we need the plug. Well, I'd say you go get the stuff down there. I'll go back and get this. We'll be back. Thank you for watching this Berktopian adventure. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more adventures.